Hola Peachier fam, today we'll be showing you on how to use the Peachier Premium IPL handset. Step 1. Shave your skin on the desired area. There will be no waxing, no epilator, and no hair removal cream. Step 2. Plug in the adapter to the plug and turn it on. Step 3. Once you see the green button blinking, press the button once to turn the handset on. Step 4. Press the green button again to adjust the suitable intensity level from 1 to 5 for your skin. Step 5. Press the big button in the front to start the laser. Do note that the Peachier IPL handset has a smart skin sensor where you can't zap without placing the flash window on your skin. You can now enjoy using Peachier Premium IPL handset for once a week for 8 to 12 weeks. It may take some time, but the result will be worth it. Easy and convenient. Happy laser!